If your Samsung TV looks like just another screen, you're in for a surprise. Let's unlock some hidden features. Alright, welcome back to IW Official. Today I'm showing you how to access the secret service menu on your Samsung TV. Excited, you should be. Method 1, using your remote control. This works for most Samsung TV models. Follow these steps. 1. Press the mute button. 1, then 1, 2, then 8, 4, then a 2 or 5. Finally, press power. Nailed it. If done right, the service menu should pop up on your screen. Now, for method 2, using your TV buttons. Perfect for older models or if your remote's lost in the couch. 1. Find the menu button on your TV. 1. Press and hold menu and volume down simultaneously for 5 seconds. 1. Release them and press power. Boom. The service menu is now at your fingertips. Alright, now that you're in, take a look around. You'll find options to tweak picture settings, sound, and more. But a word of caution, don't change settings you're not familiar with. You don't want to accidentally mess up your TV. Congrats, tech wizards! You've accessed the secret service menu on your Samsung TV. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.